can you tell us about your car?
Yeah, it's a 67 Belvedere 440, running 3.5 diff. Basically, that's about it really, I can tell you. Know
Yeah. Can we have a look at the engine?
Yeah, yeah, of course, right.
Have a look inside.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big engine. What's that?
440.
V8?
7.2 litre. I mean, she's running about 410 horses. This is the first that's been on the road since last year. First out.
Can you start it up?
Yeah, of course, right.
That's amazing sound. Have a look inside.
Yeah, of course, right. Fine, right. Set off for like speed step, you know what I mean?
Is that very long?
I'm saying she's set up for like speed strip use, you know what I mean?
Right.
Which is road use and track use, you know what I mean?
Okay. Do you go track racing in it?
Well, I've not been yet, you know what I mean? But hopefully this year.
Right.
Like a bit of time, you know what I mean? It's just basically just time.
It does sound fantastic, doesn't it?
Oh, she's really sweet, you know what I mean? It's better since I put all the new ignition system in and fuel upgrades and all that kind of thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, well thanks very much.
Not a problem, my friend.
Cheers. So Alistair, this is yours, is it?
Yeah. This is Finn.
Finn.
So Finn is a 1965 Buick Riviera.
Right.
Exactly the same as the one in Roadhouse, if you've seen the film with Patrick Swayze and that.
Right.
7 litre nailhead engine. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Cracking old car.
It's in good nick.
Yeah. Totally original.
Have a look inside. Wow. So what engine's that?
So that's a 6.6 litre or a 401 cubic inch nailhead engine, the Buick called it. Beautiful engine. It's got a very distinctive burble. A lot of the hot rod guys like the sound from the nailhead, so you'll find these engines in like hot rods and things like that. But the thing that makes this car famous is the headlight. So if you watch the headlight,
Hey, very
that's
good.
its claim to fame.
Is that unique?
Yeah, well, not unique, but it's kind of unique to this model. A lot of American cars of that era had kind of similar headlight actuation, and I just like it for that.
Yeah. And is this other one yours?
So this is another Buick Riviera, albeit it's a Super Riviera 1957, which uses the same engine, so a 6 litre nailhead, but obviously a much earlier design. But this again, totally original car. You can see the original patina.
Yeah.
It came from a dry state in America, and it's been here for maybe 5-6 years.
Right, so you imported it?
No, I bought it from a guy down in Brighton. bigger car, and yet uses kind of similar running gear. It's very original. The only thing I've done to it is put the wheels on it and an air filter. That's kind of it.
Very nice. Well, thanks for showing us your American cars.
No problem.
Okay, if I'm the owner, and he's going to tell us something about your car.
So it's a 1940 Plymouth P10 sedan. So it's 86 years old, but it's been modernised. It's probably went through a lot of iterations in its life.
Yeah.
So now it's running an Oldsmobile 303 5 litre V8 engine, disc brakes all round, Ford back end, modern cooling, it's all been rewired, modern fuse box. So it's probably more hot rod now than original classic. But it goes well, and you'll not see another one in Tesco car park.
No, you won't, will you?
Modern interior as well.
Can we have a look inside?
Yeah. So it's got a modern replacement hot rod dash, blinking rear seats, modern mini front seats.
Very good.
I'll show you under the bonnet if you want.
Yeah.
The classic kind of clamshell bonnet. It runs like a sewing machine.
Very nice. So is it still a V8?
Still a V8, yep. 5 litre. And I believe it's been yellow at some point in its life as well.
It's been what, sorry?
Yeah, it's been painted yellow.
Oh, right.
So there's probably been a few different colours, it's probably a few engines, but when you think of the age of it, it's understandable.
Yeah. Still going.
People call it the Bonnie and Clyde car.
Yes.
So I don't have the Tommy gun, but at least I've got the bullets in my valves.
Yeah, there's bullets. Bonnie and Clyde bullets. Well, thank you very much for showing us your car.
Thank you.
Hot rod's always been like that. Hot rod's always been like that. Well, no, that's in there. What? Doing the right thing then.
What was that? I've not seen that for years. You don't know. I've seen one for years.